जो मेरे ख्याल से फिल्म में एक लाइन है कि जिसको जो होना था वो तो हो ही गया, पर परिवारों पे गुजरती गुजरती रहती है। तो मेरे ख्याल से जो मैंने जो कोशिश की सरबजीत की तकलीफ़ को थोड़ा सहने की और सोचने की वो कैसा था और क्या बीती होगी 23 साल में जेल में, मैं वो करने के बावजूद इमेजिन नहीं कर सकता हूँ कि एक्चुअली में क्या बीती होगी। इट मस्ट हैव बीन रियली टेरेबल, बट उससे भी ज़्यादा मेरे ख्याल से जो आस में जी रही फैमिली होती है किसी की, जो इंतज़ार में होती हैं और जो बाहर रहकर भी खुश नहीं रह पाते क्योंकि उनका कोई अजीज़ अंदर बंद है और अच्छे हाल में नहीं है, वो पेन मेरे ख्याल से बहुत बहुत गहरा है। और मैंने दलबीर जी को बोला था कि मेरी सिर्फ एक ही कोशिश रहेगी कि आप मुझ में अपना भाई देखें, और वो फिल्म में भी मैं ऐश्वर्या को कहता हूँ। और आज I'm being very grateful that that's my biggest compliment, and I think she's a great soul, very fiery, and I'm really glad that I have got to know her and the daughters. In fact, on a lighter note, I called Dalbir ji, or she called me, and there was some promo of mine from some other movie, and they were kind of naughty. So she said, "Well, बच्चे कह रहे हैं कि पापा naughty है." So it's a bond that we've all formed, I guess, and now standing here and looking at real Sarabjit's photo, and I'm looking at him, and it's so strange that it's so strange that it's a strange equation just looking at him. So, but I'm very thankful to the whole family. It's not easy to bear your pain and to trust people with your own life, and I think I'm very thankful that they did, and I'm thankful to Umang to be so careful and sensitive with it and bring it to light. Thank you. No, I don't think there is any Pakistan bashing per se in the film, but yes, the film is about the prison over there, and there were a lot of atrocities he was subjected to, and I'm not sure whether that happens over here as well. So I think the point to be taken here is that to treat somebody for other things just because of their nationality and not their crime in a wrong way, whether it happens in India or Pakistan, both is wrong. But since the film is based in a Pakistani prison, that is the only difference. I think there is no, as per se, that we are bashing a country like Pakistan. It's a situation that, a normal person is stuck in the political ups and downs between two countries.
रणदीप और ऐश्वर्या दोनों से सवाल है मेरा यहाँ पर कि इतना इंटेंस कैरेक्टर है, रियलिज्म में रूटेड है, तो शूटिंग खत्म होने के बाद कहीं वक्त लगा इससे बाहर आने से, इस कैरेक्टर से बाहर आने के लिए? क्या आप लोग शूटिंग खत्म होने के बाद भी थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब रहे?
मैं कई बार हॉस्पिटल जा चुका हूँ इसकी वजह से। नहीं, of course, I had to tell myself कि I have not spent 23 years of my life in prison. I have not gone through all that. So there was a big hangover because of the involvement and because of the involvement that was required by the film. So obviously it all lingers on. I think that has happened to me before as well. And from after Highway, I was depressed for a long time. I had to tell myself that I'm not a petty taxi driver and that's not my life and nobody loves me. So, you go through all that. But coming to your point, Sardarji, kidhar gaye ho? Yeah. I want to point out something else to you, which is very important to this India-Pakistan situation. Okay? What had happened was that every time that there was hope that he will get released or something will happen, there'll be Pokhara ka bomb nuclear test. Then there'll be Kargil. Then again you'll get hope, something else will happen between. Then 26/11 happened. Again you got hope, then India executed a prisoner here. So every time something happened between the two was happening between the two countries, and the family and Sarabjit had to bear the brunt of it. And that is what I thought I should elaborate why the political situation is responsible and the innocent people are getting the brunt of it.